Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 3. Our today's topic is Chapter 8, Fraction Addition. It means addition of fraction we will solve today from EMB page 90 activity 3 and EMB page 94 activity 4 I will solve today. Okay dear students, let us see. Before starting the solution of this question, I have written 4 questions here. Before starting the solution, at first I will discuss what is fraction, then I will discuss equivalent fraction. Okay dear students, so concentrate now. Okay, suppose you have a 1 meter ribbon and you have divided into it 4 equal parts. Suppose this is 1 meter ribbon, you have divided into it 4 equal parts. You have given your friends one part, this part. Total length is 1 meter, you have given this one part. It means that from this 4 part you have given one part. This we can write in this way. We can write in this way. We can compare the given part with the total part. Expressing anything as a part of whole, Here whole means total and we want to express one part. So this we can express in this way. This is known as fraction. It means that expressing anything as a part of whole is known as fraction. If you want to give 2 parts, in that case you have to write 2 by 4. We can read in this way, 2 by 4. If you want to give 3 parts, then you have to write 3 by 4. In this way we can express. Dear students, you have to remember that the number which is written above this line is known as numerator, and the number which is written below the line, that is known as denominator. Again, the number which is written above the line, that is known as numerator. The number which is written below the line is known as denominator. Okay dear students, so we can say the denominator of this fraction, and this is the fraction. Denominator of this fraction is 4 and numerator is 1. Denominator of this fraction is 4 and numerator is 1. Okay dear students, now I will show equivalent fractions. Suppose 1 by 2 is a fraction, 2 by 4 is a fraction, 4 by 8 is a fraction. Now see, here we can write this fraction as 1 by 2. It means that if we divide both the numerator and denominator by the same number, we will get the value 1 by 2. In this case also, if we divide both by 4, we will get 1 by 2. It means that value of these 3 fractions is 1 by 2. It means value is same. It means that the fractions having same value, are known as equivalent fractions. It means that 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 4 by 8, these fractions are equivalent fractions. In this way you may get more equivalent fractions. Okay dear students, now we will learn addition of fraction. Dear students, 4 questions I have written, 2 questions I have written from activity 3 of EMB page 90. These two questions I will solve at first. First question, 2 by 3 we have to add 1 by 3. These two fractions we have to add. To add these two fractions, dear students, you have to remember that if the denominators are same, here denominator is 3, here is also denominator 3. If the denominators are same, then you will write only one denominator. You will write only one denominator. Then you have to add just numerator. You have to add numerator of first fraction is 2 and here is addition sign. So use addition. And numerator of second fraction is 1. So you have to write 1. Dear students, remember the technique again. If the denominators are same, you will write the denominator here. And then you have to add the numerators. Add the numerators. It means that 2 plus 1. Now if you add 2 and 1, you will get 3. Here is also 3. Now these two are same. These two are same. If we divide 3 by 3, this line means, the line of this fraction means division. So if you divide 3 by 3, you will get 1. So we can say when the numerator and the denominator of a fraction will be same, that time we can say the value of that fraction is 1. The value of that fraction is 1 if the numerator and denominator is same. So we can say sum of first question is sum is 1. So answer is 1. Answer is 1. Now second question, 3 by 8 plus 4 by 8. Dear students, notice that here denominator is 8, here is also denominator 8. So denominator of both the fractions are same. So we have to write only one denominator. Now we have to add the numerator. So we have to add 3 and 4. We have to add 3 and 4. So write the numerator of first fraction. Here is addition, give addition. And then write the numerator of second fraction. Now add. Denominator remain same. Now 3 and 4 is 7. Now we can't divide 7 by 8. It means that these two numbers is not divisible by any common factor or common divisor or any number except 1. So we have to say this is our required sum. This is our required sum. So answer of this question is 7 by 8. Okay, dear students. Now go to the next question. Next question I have written from EMB page 94, activity 4, question 3. Dear students, this is also addition of fraction. Two fractions are given here. Notice that the denominators of these two fractions are also same. So we have to write only one denominator. Only one denominator. Okay. Then as the denominators are same, just we have to add the numerators. So numerator of first fraction is 1 and give addition sign. Numerator of second fraction is 2. If we add 1 and 2, we will get 3. Here the denominator is 9. Dear students, notice that 9 and 3, both the numerators and denominators are divisible by 3. So we can divide both by 3. If we divide 3 by 3, we will get 1. If we divide 9 by 3, we will get 3. We have to write the quotient. After dividing, we have to write the quotient. So when we will divide the numerator by 3, we will get quotient 1. We will divide the denominator by 3, it means 9 by 3, we will get the quotient 3, as 3 3s are 9. So we can write this 3 by 9 as 1 by 3, as these two fractions are equivalent. Okay, dear students, so we can say answer of this question is 1 by 3. Now Last question for today. Dear students, notice that here two fractions given 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5. We have to add these two. Here also denominators of these two fractions are same. The denominators are 5. So we can write only one denominator. Now we have to add the numerators. So add 1 and 3. As here is addition sign, we can add. Now 1 and 3, sum of 1 and 3 is 4. Here is 5. So we can now notice that we can divide 4 and 5. We can't divide by any number except 1. So we have to write that this is our required answer for the last question. So required sum is 4 by 5. Dear students, I hope you have understood our today's lecture. Okay, dear students, depending on today's lecture, I have given three questions for your homework. These 3 questions I have given. This is your homework 18. 2 fractions given here. Here denominators are same, so you can add easily. Here also denominators are same, so you can add using this technique. Denominators are same in the last question also, so you can use the technique of today's lecture to do the sum of fraction. Dear students, I hope you have understood our today's lecture. Do this homework and submit your homework on next Sunday. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe, see you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.